Are you aware of the critical importance of fire safety in your building? Let me introduce you to a cutting-edge solution, the Ajax EN54 fire detection system. Secure Home Electrics Ltd specialises in the installation of this advanced system in Huntingdon. With our expertise, we'll ensure your property meets the latest fire safety standards. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is the Ajax EN54 system? This system is designed for commercial-grade fire protection. It combines EN54 certification with state-of-the-art wireless technology. Its fully wireless installation means no disruptive cabling is required. But that's not all. The standards require the fire panel to identify the specific device that triggered an alarm, not just the zone. This makes addressable detectors and call points the practical choice because they provide precise device-level information and have become the de facto standard for complex buildings, offering clearer fault reporting and faster response. Ajax's addressable point smoke and heat detectors provide best-in-class accuracy thanks to their patented smoke chamber with a dual-spectrum optical sensor and 2 accurate thermistors. You'll receive alerts to your devices and monitoring stations in less than 3 seconds. Plus, it features integrated sounders and visual alarm devices. What about maintenance? Worry not. The Ajax system comes with long battery life and remote diagnostics. It also integrates seamlessly with the wider Ajax security ecosystem. This makes it perfect for offices, schools, hospitals, and more. So, why should you choose Secure Home Electrics Ltd for your installation? We are a trusted family-run business with decades of experience. Our experts provide a comprehensive tailored system design. We guarantee a clean and efficient installation, completed quickly with minimal disruption, and our services include ongoing maintenance and compliance support. Let me walk you through our EN54 fire alarm installation process. First, we conduct a free site survey to assess your property and its needs. Next, we design a bespoke fire detection system using certified Ajax hardware. Then, our engineers will install and configure the system, often in just one day. After installation, we test each device and train your team on how it works. We then call upon an independent company to commission the system to ensure that every regulation is met. Finally, we offer maintenance plans to ensure your system remains compliant. We proudly serve Huntingdon, Alconbury, Weald, Peterborough and surrounding areas. Are you ready to enhance your fire safety? Contact Secure Home Electrics Ltd today for your EN54 fire alarm survey. Book now to secure your property with the most advanced wireless fire detection technology. Your safety is our priority. Call Secure Home Electrics on 01480 891182 now.